Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video we are going to make very delicious apple milkshake. So let's start. So let's start by peeling apple, and all the ingredients will be mentioned at the end of video. So once you peel apple nicely, then slice the apple into pieces and keep it aside for grinding. Now take one mixer jar or juicer and add apple to it. Add 1 cup of milk, some cashew nuts, 1 spoon of milk maid, and sugar, and at the end ice. Now let's start grinding process. You have to do grinding process for at least 2 minutes, and once the grinding process is done, then you can serve it in glass and top it with your favorite dry fruits or some pistachios. And enjoy! Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my recipe, do like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.